Have you noticed your breath changes with your emotions? When you're angry, your breath becomes fast. When you're anxious, it becomes shallow. And when you are in peace, it is calm, it is very calm and it is very deep. I welcome you all to the Shivoham series where we talk about expanding our consciousness. So you have noticed our breath and our emotions are closely related. So whenever you're anxious, whenever you're angry, 3 breathings can change your consciousness. All you need to do is inhale and exhale a long breath. By consciously breathing 3 times, you can change your emotion and bring your focus to your inner self. That is Shivoham. I am pure consciousness.